Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you step by step how to change your profile name on Alibaba. This is very easy, let's jump right in. First of all, you have to open your Alibaba app in your Android or iOS device. After that, you have to tap on Alibaba My Alibaba option in the right bottom. When you click on this, here you have to tap on this. Here you have to tap on this edit button in the front of your profile. When you click on this, now here you can see this is your full name. Now here you have to tap on this edit button in the front of your name. When you click on this edit button, here you have to add your first name. Now here you have to add your new name in the first name, and after that you have to add your last name in the new last name in the after adding your new name, you have to tap on save icon in the top right corner. When you click on this save name, now here you can see my name has been changed. In this way, you can change your name on Alibaba. Thank you.